Hi, I read a paper about Alzheimer's disease, and what Alzheimer's disease is a disease that affects your memory and cognition, and this happens more often when you get older. There are two forms of Alzheimer's disease. One is early onset, that happens before the age of 65, and the other is late onset, which happens after the age of 65. My paper that I read was specific about late onset Alzheimer's, and what they found was that there were heavy levels of DNA methylation on certain genes. And what DNA methylation is when a methyl group, which is a carbon and 3 hydrogens, gets added to the DNA, so the genes, your genome. And this is important because it changes the activity of a DNA segment without actually changing the DNA sequence. So these heavy levels of methylation on certain genes pointed to one specific gene, which was the ANKRD30B, and they found that this is implicated in late onset Alzheimer's. And this is important because knowing what causes the disease can help find new treatment, or knowing how this one specific gene is mutated can also help figure out how other genes might be mutated and then help the treatment.